Very marvelous good morning to each one of you. Today's date is 24 July and the day is Friday. Today's thought is always deliver more than expected.
Good morning children, welcome to the Shivaji Group of Institution online classes. Kids, I am your Hindi teacher. Today I am going to take Hindi literature class. बच्चों, पिछली कक्षा में मैंने आपको हिंदी में पाठ 3 अपलक और चपलक के मौखिक अभिव्यक्ति के प्रश्न उत्तर कराए थे। तो आज मैं आपको हिंदी लिटरेचर की कॉपी में लिखित अभिव्यक्ति के प्रश्न उत्तर कराने जा रही हूँ। तो सभी बच्चे अपनी हिंदी लिटरेचर की कॉपी निकालेंगे और हेडिंग डालेंगे लिखित अभिव्यक्ति नंबर 1। नीचे लिखे प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखिए। क्या हेडिंग डालेंगे? नीचे लिखे प्रश्नों के उत्तर। प्रश्न का है चींची और चपलक एक दूसरे को पसंद क्यों नहीं करते थे। पहला प्रश्न क्या है? चींची और चपलक एक दूसरे को पसंद क्यों नहीं करते थे। इसका उत्तर है चींची और चपलक एक दूसरे को पसंद इसलिए नहीं करते थे क्योंकि वे एक दूसरे को घमंडी समझते थे। वो एक दूसरे को पसंद क्यों नहीं करते थे? क्योंकि वे एक दूसरे को घमंडी चींची चपलक को घमंडी समझता था और चपलक चींची को घमंडी समझता था, इसलिए वे एक दूसरे से बात नहीं करते थे, पसंद भी नहीं करते थे। प्रश्न का है चपलक ने चींची को कैसा बताया। चपलक ने चींची को कैसा बताया था? जब अपलक ने चपलक से बात करी थी तो चपलक ने चींची का कैसे बताया था? उसका उत्तर है चपलक ने चींची को बदसूरत तथा मूर्ख बताया था। कैसा बताया था? चपलक ने चींची को बदसूरत तथा मूर्ख बताया। प्रश्न का है चपलक अपलक को कहाँ लेकर जाना चाहता था। चपलक अपलक को कहाँ लेकर जाना चाहता था? आपको पता है, स्टोरी पढ़ी है। चपलक अपलक को अपने साथ दाल के दाने खाने के लिए ले जाना चाहता था। कहाँ जाना चाहता था? चपलक अपलक को अपने साथ दाल के दाने खाने के लिए ले जाना चाहता था। प्रश्न घ है ये दाल के दाने नहीं जाल के दाने हैं। अपलक ने ऐसा क्यों कहा था? ये आपने पढ़ा था। उसने ऐसा क्यों कहा था? क्योंकि उसे दिख गया था कि वहां पर बहेलिये ने जाल बिछा रखा है, इसलिए उसने अपने भाई को समझाया था कि चपलक वहां मत जाओ, वहां ये दाल के दाने नहीं जाल के दाने हैं। ये दाल के, इसका उत्तर है ये दाल के दाने नहीं जाल के दाने हैं क्योंकि अपलक ने वहां पर शिकारी का जाल बिछा देख लिया था। इसका उत्तर क्या है? ये दाल के दाने नहीं जाल के दाने हैं क्योंकि अपलक ने वहां पर शिकारी का जाल बिछा देख लिया था। प्रश्न अंगा है चपलक ने अपने बड़े भाई की सलाह क्यों नहीं मानी थी। चपलक ने अपने बड़े भाई की सलाह क्यों नहीं मानी थी? इसका उत्तर है चपलक ने अपने बड़े भाई की सलाह इसलिए नहीं मानी क्योंकि वह बहुत जिद्दी स्वभाव का था। उसने अपनी बात क्यों नहीं मानी? क्योंकि उसे लग रहा था भाई ऐसे ही बोल रहा है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। वो अपनी जिद पर अड़ा था। वो कैसा था? वो जिद्दी स्वभाव का था, इसलिए उसने अपने बड़े भाई की बात नहीं मानी थी। आखिरी प्रश्न है प्रश्न 4। चपलक बहेलिये के जाल से कैसे आजाद हुआ। तो इसका उत्तर है चपलक चींची को अपनी पीठ पर चपलक के पास लाया। चींची ने अपने दांतों से जाल काट दिया। इस प्रकार चपलक बहेलिये के जाल से आजाद हो पाया। एक बार फिर से देखते हैं प्रश्न 4 का उत्तर। अपलक चींची को अपनी पीठ पर चपलक के पास लाया, चींची ने अपने दांतों से जाल काट दिया। इस प्रकार चपलक बहेलिये के जाल से आजाद हो पाया। ये प्रश्न उत्तर बच्चों आपको हिंदी की कॉपी में सुंदर सुंदर हैंडराइटिंग में लिखने हैं और याद करना है। इसलिए मैं एक बार फिर से रिपीट करती हूँ। हेडिंग डालेंगे नए पेज में, लिखित अभिव्यक्ति नंबर 1, नीचे लिखिए प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखिए। प्रश्न का है चींची और चपलक एक दूसरे को पसंद क्यों नहीं करते थे? इसका उत्तर है चींची और चपलक एक दूसरे को पसंद इसलिए नहीं करते थे क्योंकि वे एक दूसरे को घमंडी समझते थे। वे एक दूसरे को पसंद क्यों नहीं करते थे? क्योंकि वे एक दूसरे को घमंडी समझते थे। प्रश्न खा है चपलक ने चींची को कैसा बताया? चपलक ने चींची को कैसा बताया अपने भाई से? चपलक ने चींची को बदसूरत तथा मूर्ख बताया। चपलक ने चींची को बदसूरत तथा मूर्ख बताया। प्रश्न का है चपलक अपलक को कहाँ लेकर जाना चाहता था? चपलक अपलक को कहाँ लेकर जाना चाहता था? इसका उत्तर है चपलक अपलक को अपने साथ दाल के दाने खाने के लिए ले जाना चाहता था। चपलक अपलक को अपने साथ दाल के दाने खाने के लिए ले जाना चाहता था। प्रश्न घ है ये दाल के दाने नहीं जाल के दाने हैं, अपलक ने ऐसा क्यों कहा? इसका उत्तर है ये दाल के दाने नहीं जाल के दाने हैं क्योंकि अपलक ने वहां पर शिकारी का जाल बिछा देख लिया था। उसने बार बार अपने भाई को समझाया था लेकिन उसका भाई नहीं मान रहा था। उसने बोला भी कि भाई ये दाल के दाने नहीं है जाल के दाने हैं, लेकिन वो नहीं माना। एक बार उत्तर फिर से देखते हैं। ये दाल के दाने नहीं जाल के दाने हैं क्योंकि अपलक ने वहां पर शिकारी का जाल बिछा देख लिया था। प्रश्न अंगा है चपलक ने अपने बड़े भाई की सलाह क्यों नहीं मानी? इसका उत्तर है चपलक ने अपने बड़े भाई की सलाह इसलिए नहीं मानी क्योंकि वह बहुत जिद्दी स्वभाव का था। चपलक ने अपने बड़े भाई की सलाह इसलिए नहीं मानी क्योंकि वह बहुत जिद्दी स्वभाव का था। प्रश्न 4 है चपलक बहेलिये के जाल से कैसे आजाद हुआ? प्रश्न 4 क्या है? चपलक बहेलिये के जाल से कैसे आजाद हुआ? इसका उत्तर है अपलक चींची को अपनी पीठ पर चपलक के पास लाया, चींची ने अपने दांतों से जाल काट दिया। इस प्रकार चपलक बहेलिये के जाल से आजाद हो पाया। एक बार फिर से उसका उत्तर देते हैं। अपलक चींची को अपनी पीठ पर चपलक के पास लाया, चींची ने अपने दांतों से जाल काट दिया। इस प्रकार चपलक बहेलिये के जाल से आजाद हो पाया। तो बच्चों आज मैंने आपको हिंदी में लिखित अभिव्यक्ति के प्रश्न उत्तर पूरे करा दिए हैं। आगे का काम मैं अगली कक्षा में कराऊंगी। धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ हो।
A very good morning to the students and everyone those who are watching this video. I am your teacher from Shiva Megapol Institutions and I welcome you all in the online classes. Students, this is your second period and I am going to continue your exercise or written work of your chapter number 3rd, that is Denali paints a horse. As we know that we have completed, we take the correct answers and completed the statements, and exercise B, which about you, that how you feel about the story while reading. And students, I have given you some homework from the vocabulary section that you have to exercise A and B in your homework. Okay, so I hope you all have completed. Means in the first exercise you have to write the synonyms of the following as given in the first word. Second, you have to circle the synonyms in each sentence. So here, open the book at page number 27. Here is a grammar section, parts of speech. Parts of speech. What is parts of speech? Definition: classification of words according to their relation to each other and to the things they represent. Different parts of speech means action, name of the performers, name of the action, means performer of the actions, describe the performance of or actions, and so on. They are mainly 8 parts of speech. They are parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. First one, noun. As we know that noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. Second one, pronoun. Pronoun are the words that we can use in the place of noun. Okay. Third one, verb. Verbs. A verb is an action word, doing word or being word. Okay. Fourth one, adjectives. Adjectives are the words that tell us about the characteristic of noun. Okay. Next one, adverb. That tell us about the characteristic of word. Second one, prepositions. Prepositions means to denote the means we can use a and the, which are the prepositions. Next, conjunction. Okay, and the last one, interjections. Okay, these are the 8 points of the speech that are given in the grammar section of your 3rd chapter. So, at last, just look at your book. Here are the noun, pronoun, verb and adjective underlined in the sentences given below. For example, Geeta praises good friends of hers. Geeta is a noun just because the name of a girl. Praises, verb, which is doing word. Adjective, which tell us about the noun or pronoun. Friends, noun, hers, and pronoun. Okay, students, turn your book at page number 28. Sorry. Turn your book at page number 28. Look at the first line, that is pick out the nouns, pronouns, verb and adjective in the sentences given below and arrange them in columns. Okay, I am doing the first one and rest of the statements you have to do it by yourself. First one, my mother us. So this is the statement, and you have to make the table. Noun, pronoun, verb, and adjective. In the first statement, noun, mother and mangoes. Okay, just because name of person, place or thing. First, just like you have to write the first, you have to write the noun, pronoun, verb and adjective of the first one. Then you have to write the first in the corner, mother and mangoes. Okay, pronoun, us, verb, got means doing what, adjective, sweet. Just because it telling the characteristic of noun. Just like this, you have to do the rest of the given sentence. Okay. So the second one, out of the four parts of speech, noun, pronoun, verb or adjective, one is missing. Find out the word and fill in the blanks with that word. Okay. Here the first is given that Dash is a good batsman. So Sachin is a good batsman, or you can write the pronoun means the word which we can use in the place of noun. So you can fill Sachin or he. So the first one is, according to the exercise, the first one is the dash man was wearing dirty clothes. So you have to fill the noun or pronoun, word or adjective in the sentence is missing. So you have to fill one of them. The dash man was wearing. Wearing is a verb. Dirty adjective. Clothes noun. So here you have to fill the one another noun, which is poor. Means sorry. Adjective, one more adjective, okay? The poor man was wearing dirty clothes. Like this, you have to do all the rest 5 sentences, okay? So students, and below that, there are 2 exercises related to the speaking skills and writing skills. And the speaking skills, you will have some painting in your home. Which painting do you like the most? Just write it in your words and 10 sentences. Means you have to look about a painting that surrounds you at your home and just write 10 lines about that painting which is at your home. Okay? And about the writing skill, find out the characteristic of horse. An Arabic horse is considered better than Indian horse. Collect some information means you have to collect the information between the Arabic horse and Indian horse and write the difference between that how an Arabic horse or Indian horse is better than the another one. So students, you have to do this grammar section as the given instructions. So, and the rest of the written work of this chapter we will do in the next video. Okay? So students, write down your homework. To page number 28 and 29. In book of chapter number 5. Okay students,
there are two movements of the earth, those are rotation and revolution. What is rotation? So the movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation and it causes day and night, and the movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution and it causes change of seasons. So in the last lecture we have started the written work of this chapter and we have done some of the exercises of this chapter. In the last class we have done 3 short answers of this chapter. So today we will do the rest of the short answers of this chapter. So for that, students, take out your notebook, open that page where you wrote the 3 short answers, and on the next line start the rest of the short answers. So mention question number 4. Question number 4 is, all the parts of the earth experience day and night in every 24 hours. Why? The answer is as the earth rotates, a part of it gets sunlight. Part of it gets sunlight and experience day. The part which does not face the sun, which does not face the sun. A part which does not face the sun experience night. It is happening. It is happening in every 24 hours. It is happening in every 24 hours because the earth rotates constantly. So the question is, all the parts of the earth experience day and night in every 24 hours. Why? So the answer is, so as in the chapter we have read about the rotation of the earth, that our planet earth rotate around the sun. So the part which faces the sun gets longer hour of sunlight. That part which gets longer hour of sunlight experience day, and a part which is away from the sun, which does not face the sun, gets shorter sunlight. That's why that part experience night. So the answer is, as the earth rotates, a part of it gets sunlight and experience day. For First off, the part which does not face the sun experience night. It is happen in every 24 hours because the earth rotates, constantly. Because the earth rotates constantly. Now this answer is complete. Now we will write the next short answer, that is question 5. So for that I am going to write this. Question number 5 is, why do we not feel rotation? And the answer is, we do not feel rotation because we all are inside of the earth, and the speed of the earth is constant. And the speed of the earth is constant. The spinning and orbital speeds of the earth stay the same. So we do not feel. Any acceleration and deceleration. You can only feel motion. You can only feel motion when the speed changes. So the question is, why do we not feel rotation? And the answer is, we do not feel rotation because we all are inside of the earth and the speed of the earth is constant. The spinning and the orbital speed of the earth stay the same. So we do not feel any acceleration and deceleration. You can only feel motion when the speed changes. Means the speed of the earth is constant. That's why we do not feel any rotation. So students, now this exercise is finished. All the short answers
numbers. Okay. This is not looking good. Write your numbers. Operations on large numbers. So students, as you know that in our studies class we have done some questions of exercise 3C, and also I have given you to do question number 1 to 5 in your homework of exercise 3C. So students, I hope so that you have completely done all 5 questions in your homework. If you have really done, so I don't think that you have any problem inside it. But for legal forming, I want to take a short review of these questions 1 to 5. Okay. So student, let us start taking review. Open your page number 28 of exercise 3C, because on today's class we will again continue exercise 3C. Open your page number 28. Okay, so see question number 4. A textile mill textile mill in 3 years. In 3 years. So student, a textile mill produced 56,95,834 meter of cloth in the 2012, 43,28,957 meter in 2013, and 32,50,219 meter in 2014. What is the total production? What is the total production in 3 years? I told you that if you have ever seen the word total, it means you have to do addition. Okay. So in 2012, for doing solution, write a corner reading to solve in 2012. Okay. What is the number? Number is 56 lakh 95,834 in 2013. This is 43,28,957, 43,28,957, 43,28,957, and in 2013, in 2014, this is 32,50,219. So, question is, what is the total production in 3 years? Total production in 3 years. So, there is the word total, it means you have to do add. So, students, after adding, you will get your answer. So, students, you can add it and get your answer. So, students, this was a short review of your studies class. And students, now we will continue exercise 3C in our today's class, and see your question number 7. This is different, little bit of different type. We are continuing this exercise 3C on page number 28. There is not a perfect space, so I am going to raise it. Okay. So see your question number 7. You will see this is the difference between the two numbers. The difference between now start solving. Things start to fall. First of all, read the question, that is the difference between the two numbers is 68,39,507. If the smaller number is itna, means 29,340. Find the greater number. So student, the question is indicating about the two numbers. The question is indicating about the two numbers, but we don't have any two numbers. So let the numbers, let two numbers are A, B. Okay, let A is greater, B is smaller. Okay, A is greater, B is smaller, so it is A minus B, because the difference of the number is given. So the difference between two numbers is 68,39,507. 507. Okay. If the smaller number is 25,340, the smaller number is B. So value of B is 25,340. Okay. Sign of equal. Write the number. Students, I told you that if any number is in the left side of the equal, and if that number is going to the right side of the equal, so the sign of the number will change. If the number is in negative, it will be in positive. If the number is positive, it will be in negative. But you can see here the number which is near to A, that is in negative. So for finding the value of A, it will go to the right side number and the sign will change. Okay, so 68, 39, 507, and the sign will change. So it is in negative, it will be in positive. 25340. Now we will add it. 68, 39, 507 plus 25, 340. Add it. 7, 4, 8, 9, 5, 14. 4 will be here. 1 will be going carry. 3 and 1, 4, 4 and 2, 6, 8, 6. So student, this is your greater number. What is it? Greater number, because A is greater number. Okay, I am writing here MO, that is indicating the number, or you can write the number. Wait. Greater number, which is A, so value of A is this. This is your answer. So student, now you have completed your exercise 3C. Your homework is do exercise 3C in page number 28. Okay, so student, for today's homework is that complete your exercise 3C. So student, this is all about today. We will continue this chapter in our next class. Till then, complete your work, do all the questions of exercise 3C in your notebook. And students, thank you to all for attending today's class.
A very good morning to the students and everyone those who are watching this video. I am your teacher from Shivaji Group of Institutions. Here, welcome you all in the online classes. Students, this is your third period and I am going to continue your second chapter, that is Human Skeletal System. Human skeletal system. So students, in the previous skeletal system. Three kinds of muscles. So let's recall the three kinds of muscles. Okay, muscles. Muscles are the tough elastic tissues helps the bones to move or bend, because bones cannot move or bend by themselves. They need the help. They need help of some other tissues to move or bend. So, two muscles help a bone to move or bend. Okay, and there are three kinds of muscles. First one, voluntary. Voluntary are also known as skeletal muscles because they are connected to the skeletal system and they work on or will found in hand, legs and arms. Okay. Second one, involuntary. Involuntary are also known as smooth muscles. Okay, they don't work on our will. Found in lungs, stomach, etc. Okay, and the third type of muscle, is cardiac. This is also known as heart muscle, found in heart, comes under involuntary muscles. Okay, so students, up to this we have discussed in the previous video. So let's come to the next topic, that is care of bones and muscles. So open your book at page number 27. Open your book at page number 27 to read about the care of bones and muscles. First point, to keep our bones strong, we should take food rich in calcium and phosphorus. Care of bones and muscles. Okay. First point, take food rich in calcium and phosphorus. Calcium and phosphorus are present in our bones, and calcium is also present on our teeth. So it is necessary to take food rich in calcium and phosphorus, such as banana, milk, meat, fish, dairy products, oats, spinach, broccoli, etc. Second point, we must also do some exercise or yoga asanas. yoga. These activities helps in keeping our bones and muscles in a good shape. Third, we must maintain good postures. Third, maintain good postures. Okay? While standing, sitting, etc. Fourth point, vitamin D help bones to absorb calcium from the food that we eat. Exposing the skin to morning sunlight helps to synthesize vitamin in the body. Take vitamin D. From sunlight. Okay. Second heading, importance of good postures and exercise. So, importance of good postures. Good postures. Posture is the position of our body when we sit, stand or walk. When we sit or stand or walk. Postures are the position of our body when we sit, stand or walk. A good posture gives graceful appearance to our body. Second point, we must always sit straight. We must always stand straight and walk upright. Third point, a good posture keeps our body in proper shape. It helps us to stay healthy and makes us look smart. Second point, exercise. Exercise. Regular exercise helps to keep our muscles in a good tone. Give tone to muscles. Second point, it helps to keep the bone strong and helps the lung, heart and blood vessels to function properly. Keeps the bones strong. Exercise has a beneficial effect on the way fats and carbohydrates are used by the body. Exercise also helps the nervous system to supply extra blood to the brain. Helps the internal organ to work properly. Next, outdoor games are good for the wellness of our body and mind. Play outdoor games. So students, we have completed this chapter number 2. Okay, and we will start the exercise and written work from the next video. So after this, that's all for today, and write down your homework. Revise and explain chapter number 2. So students, thank you so much and have a great day.
Hello students, I am your computer teacher from Shivaji Group of Institution. In previous class, we have completed our first chapter and today I will tell you about second chapter. So students, our second chapter is types of software. Lesson second is types of software. First heading is a computer system. A computer system is made up of hardware and software. The components of a computer system that you can see and touch are its hardware. A computer system is made up of hardware and software. The components of a computer system that we can see and touch are its hardware. Hardware cannot work its own. To make the hardware work, we need a software. What is software? A software is a set of programs that controls the operations of a computer. A software guides how, when and what a computer does. It also controls the activities of the hardware. A software is a set of programs that controls all the functions of a computer, and different types of software are required by the computer system to perform different functions. It means now I am going to explain it in Hindi. A computer system is made of hardware and software. Computer system hardware and software से मिलकर बना हुआ है. The components of a computer system. कंप्यूटर सिस्टम के जो कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं जिनको हम देख सकते हैं और टच कर सकते हैं, वो हार्डवेयर पार्ट्स होते हैं. हार्डवेयर कैन नॉट वर्क ऑन इट्स. हार्डवेयर पार्ट्स खुद से वो वर्क नहीं करते हैं. टू मेक द हार्डवेयर वर्क वी नीड अ सॉफ्टवेयर. हार्डवेयर पार्ट को वर्क करने के लिए एक सॉफ्टवेयर की नीड हमें किस चीज की नीड होती है? सॉफ्टवेयर की. व्हाट इज सॉफ्टवेयर? अ सॉफ्टवेयर इज अ सेट ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स that controls operations of a computer. Software set of programs का कलेक्शन होता है जो कि कंप्यूटर्स के ऑपरेशंस को कंट्रोल करते हैं. It also controls the activities of the hardware. Different types of software are required by computer system. Different types के software computer system required होते हैं different types के functions को करने के लिए. Now student, turn your page number 20. Next heading is types of software. Software can be classified into two types: system software and application software. This classification is based on the types of function. Software can be classified into two types. First is system software and second is application software. First is system software and second is application software. This classification is based on the types of functions of a computer. What is system software? Our first heading is here. What is system software? System software क्या है? System software are the programs designed to control the operations of a computer system. System software are the programs designed to control the operations of a computer system. An operating system is an example of system software, like Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 8, Windows 10 are the examples of operating systems. We need an operating system such as say Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows XP, and etc. to work on a computer. It means system software are the programs designed to control the operation of a computer. System software वो प्रोग्राम्स है जो कंप्यूटर के ऑपरेशंस को कंट्रोल करने के लिए डिजाइन किए गए. एंड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज एन एग्जांपल. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर का एक एग्जांपल है. लाइक जैसे विंडोज 7, विंडोज 8, विंडोज 10, विंडोज एक्सपी, ये सारे सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर के एग्जांपल है. यानी ये विंडोज 7, विंडोज 8, विंडोज 10, विंडोज एक्सपी, ये सारे आपके ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है. नेक्स्ट सेकेंड एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. और सेकेंड हेडिंग इज एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. व्हाट इज एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर? Application software are programs designed to help you perform certain types of work. Application software are the programs that designed to help you perform the certain types of work. A word processor is an example of application software. Other application software are CorelDRAW, web browsers, media players, and etc. We use a word processor such as Microsoft Word to type and create text document. If we want to create a text document, then we have to use the Microsoft Word document to create and text documents. It means application software are program designed to help you. Application software डिजाइन की आपको मदद करने के कोई चीज आपको टाइप करनी है या उस पर वर्क करना है. सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर इज अ इंटरफेस बिटवीन हार्डवेयर एंड एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. एंड एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर इज द इंटरफेस बिटवीन यूजर एंड द सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. लाइक hardware, system software, application software, user. Here, system software is the interface between application software and hardware. System software जो है वो हार्डवेयर और एप्लीकेशन बीच में कम्युनिकेशन यानी इंटरफेस की तरह एक वर्क करता है. एंड एप्लीकेशन इज द इंटरफेस between user and system software. System software and application software are placed in a computer system. System software is the interface between application and hardware, and application software is also interface between user and system software. System software. System software. What is system software? System software is a collection of programs designed to control the operations of a computer system. So, system software is a collection of programs that designed to control the functions and operations of the computer system. It is an interface between hardware and application software. In previous class, I told you about this. hardware and systems of software application software and user. System software is a interface between application software and hardware. It means system software is a collection. System software प्रोग्राम से कलेक्शन है जिसे कंप्यूटर्स के ऑपरेशंस को कंट्रोल करने के लिए डिजाइन किया गया है. सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर एप्लीकेशन एंड हार्डवेयर के बीच में इंटरफेस का वर्क करता है. इट फंक्शंस आर its function. Its functions. First, system software helps to run other software on a computer. First, system software helps to run other software on a computer. And second, it manages various hardware devices. It manages other hardware devices and helps in communication and help in communication among them. Its functions are: first number, system software helps to run other software on a computer, and second is it manages other hardware devices and help in communication among them. It means system software helps to run other software on a computer. System software help करते हैं other software को कंप्यूटर में रन करने में. Other software जैसे लाइक हमारे ब्राउजर्स, एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर, मीडिया प्लेयर्स एंड एक्सेट्रा. ये सॉफ्टवेयर जो हम कंप्यूटर पर रन करते हैं उसको रन करने में सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर हमारी मदद करते हैं. एंड सेकंड पॉइंट इज इट मैनेजेस अदर हार्डवेयर डिवाइसेस एंड हेल्प इन कम्युनिकेशन अमंग देम. इट मैनेजेस, ये आपके हार्डवेयर डिवाइसेस को मैनेज करते हैं एंड हेल्प इन कम्युनिकेशन अमंग देम, उनमें कम्युनिकेशन करने में उसकी मदद भी करते हैं. System software is of four types. System software is of four types. System software is of four types. First, operating system. Second, language translator. And third, device driver, and fourth is utility software. System software is of four types. First is operating system, and second language translator, and third is device driver, and fourth is utility software. First one, our first heading is operating system. What is operating system? An operating system is the most important system software. You cannot work on a computer without an operating system. An operating system is the most important system software. Without an operating system, we cannot work on a computer. An operating system is the interface between user and a computer. When a computer is switched on, the operating system is the first software to be loaded in its memory. When we switch on the computer, the operating system is the first software to be loaded on its into memory. An operating system directly interacts and controls the hardware of a computer system. An operating system directly interacts and controls the hardware of all the hardware parts of the computer system. Some popular operating systems are Windows, Linux, iOS, and Android. It means an operating system is the most important system. एक operating system आपको most important software है system software का. Operating system is the most important software of system software. You cannot work on a computer. हम कंप्यूटर पे बिना ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के वर्क नहीं कर सकते हैं. An operating system is the interface. Operating system कंप्यूटर और यूजर मीन्स हम जो लोग से यूज करते हैं उन दोनों के बीच, कंप्यूटर और यूजर के बीच में इंटरफेस का वर्क करता है. When a computer is switched on, जब हम कंप्यूटर को ऑन करते हैं, the operating system is the first software. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एक फर्स्ट सॉफ्टवेयर होता है जो भी मेमोरी में लोड होता है. An operating system directly interacts and controls the hardware of a computer system. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कंप्यूटर्स के हार्डवेयर को कंट्रोल करते हैं. एंड सम पॉपुलर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आर विंडोज, लाइनक्स, iOS and Android. So students, that's all for today, and today your homework is learn missing letters and very short answer of lesson first. Today your homework is learn missing letters and very short answer of lesson